Hi friends, it's Lori with Main Street Gardener, and today I have a really fun, uplifting project that I'm gonna do. It is the middle of summer, and sometimes you just need a little pop of color, something to get you through kind of those dog days of summer. So this is a mid-summer garden refresh project. And today is a sponsored post. I want to thank my friends over at Lue Bona for sharing with me an incredible new planter box that I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to have all the links and all the information about this incredible box on the description of the video. So just click more, you'll be able to see those. There also is a coupon code. So let me turn around. I want to show you this new planter box. I'm really excited about it. And then we're going to get to planting these gorgeous kind of midsummer, hot colors, full of life plants that are going to get us through till frost. It's going to add a really splash of color on my patio, and I definitely need it this time of year. So let me first get started and I'll show you the planter. All right, friends, so to get started, let me tell you about this container. So it is made out of a recycled material. It is waterproof, winterproof. It's not going anywhere, which is great. Now, the other thing I like about it is it fits perfect under a window. So if you have like standard windows, I tried it up next to my floral shed and I loved it. I think this winter, I'm gonna put it up there with some winter lettuce and some other early kale, some herbs, some plants that I can keep in a sheltered spot. Now, this planting space is, I'll show you the inside. It's only about 17 inches deep. So this is kind of like a windowsill planter. It would be great for herbs, again, lettuces. You could do some early spring flowers. It's not for something that's going to need a ton of roots. So not for like an all summer annual planter, but definitely for herbs, veggies, probably some early spring flowers. And like I'm going to use it today for some summer flowers, annuals that are only going to last a couple months. Now, what I also love about it, it has got all these drain holes already ready for you. It also has this cute shelf on the bottom. Now, I am about 5'6", and you can see where it comes on me. So it's not super tall. Again, it really is beautiful under a window. That is really how I would use it. Now, for today, I want to use it here on my patio because I picked up some gorgeous summer annuals that are in full bloom. And I just want to have a splash of color in this spot. I also chose this Kelly green color. It comes in lots of color options. So you can get black, you can get a light cream or tan, but I thought this green was just stunning. It's kind of my new favorite color for accents in the garden. I just thought it was beautiful. I love the shelf because you could store any garden tools, fertilizer. You could also fill it with some shade plants. So I think that would be beautiful. I also think this container, with the depth that it is, you could also use it in a shade garden and put some beautiful shade annuals and plants in it. Imagine this filled with impatiens. I think it could be stunning. All right, so the other thing is it comes with this mesh liner, which is great because then your soil doesn't fall through and make a mess, but the water can come through it and it fits perfect. So I really appreciate that added interest. So today, let me show you the plants that we're going to be adding and giving our patio a summer boost. Okay, so I stopped by my local garden center and they had all of these zinnias. Now they are in small containers, which is perfect for my new box. They're drying out, so they definitely need to get in the ground, but gorgeous colors and they look so healthy. So I got these for like $5 a pot. This is the time of year where you can get zinnias at most any garden centers. Now, I also added these gorgeous summer, I think it's a Rebecca. And then this pot was on like super clearance. Now, these don't look quite as healthy. The colors are amazing. They just need to be cut back. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to plant these today. I am using Happy Frog Grow Mix. I love Happy Frog. If you can get it in your area, it is expensive, but these plants need nutrition. I'm going to fill it. The beauty will be when I'm done for fall, I can still use that soil and plant maybe some fall veggies in it. I think that will be perfect. So I'm going to get these planted. Then I'm going to give them a haircut. It's going to be brutal, but they're going to love it. And then I'm going to juice them up with a bunch of fertilizer. So let's get this project started. I think these colors are going to look amazing in that green planter box. I'm really excited to have this just boost of color in the middle of the hot dog days of summer. So I wanted to just show you up close the container. It's got gorgeous wood grain. So from a distance, it does look like a wood box, but of course it is recycled material and it's waterproof. It does have a support at the bottom, so that's great. It was easy to put together. Everything is lettered, and you just need someone that can help you kind of drill it. And then you can see the inside with all the drip. This soil is so beautiful. So, of course, Happy Frog, again, it's full of organic material and fertilizer, and it is just going to make these plants so happy. And I think one bag is going to do it. So this is a 2 cubic foot bag. So if you're wondering about how much soil, so I've decided to add a little bit more soil. I want to give these annuals some extra juice. Okay, so now that we've got it filled up to the brim, I think is going to be best. We're going to get these gorgeous zinnias planted. They are going to love this soil. Now, I only need these to really last 2 months. That's all I'm asking these zinnias to do for me. I think that will be plenty. It was about $15 for the plants, and I think that's a great deal to get us some pops of color and some beauty through the rest of summer. Isn't that gorgeous with this green? So these are Prairie Sun Rudbeckia. I'm going to add those to the center. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the premium water-soluble fertilizer from Proven Winners. I love this. It has iron in it. It's just going to give them kind of a rejuvenation. I'm going to do this weekly through the rest of the growing season. Now, typically, zinnias, lantana don't need a lot of fertilizer, but these are, you know, they were kind of on the struggle bus. So I'm going to give them at least a couple weeks. We'll see how they're doing. I did not put fertilizer in the soil because this is Happy Frog. It is full of nutrition and these are short-lived plants. So I didn't want to waste it. There's really no need to put it in there. All right, so I'm just gonna mix this. I'm gonna go ahead and use 2 scoops and fill this container. It's about a scoop, usually it's a scoop per gallon. But I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 and fill this with water, and then I'll soak this area. If I have any left, I'll put it on something else. Now, I like to coat the foliage as well. I don't know that it matters, but I think a good foliar feed is good, especially for plants that have been struggling a little bit. Here is up close of the container after everything got cut back. All right, friends, well, this is going to do it for today. I am so pleased with this. I know cutting back the blooms is not as pretty as it was before, but it is going to fill out in no time, especially with this incredible soil, all the wonderful fertilizer I put on it. Now, I don't have drip over here. I do have a line. So I'm hoping maybe this weekend my husband can pop up some drip so that I don't have to water it every single day. But it is going to be such a bright spot to get us through frost, or at least maybe through October, maybe even November. We'll see. I am going to continue to cut as things bloom. I want the plants to bush back out to be super healthy through the growing season. I will be using the Proven Winners water-soluble fertilizer probably for a week, every week, probably just for a couple weeks, and then these plants should do fine. Zinnias, lantana, the Rebecca are very low maintenance annuals. These were just been in their pots a little too long and they need some juice. So I think that's going to do it. Don't forget all the discount codes, all the information on the container is in the description of the video. It definitely is going to have a permanent spot in my garden space. I'm already thinking about spring herbs, some lettuces, maybe some small Christmas trees in the winter against this green. Just stunning. Don't forget they have other colors. So again, thank you guys for joining and watching today's video, and I will see you in the garden again in a couple days. Bye, everybody.